Hi, my name is Mark. I'm a patient of Dr. Kitzmiller, and just wanted to share with you a little bit of my experience with my sleep apnea. I was diagnosed a few years ago with sleep apnea, always really tired and just constantly needing sleep, just drowsy the whole day, sluggish and whatnot. So I tried a CPAP and that did not work at all. I didn't like it. It was uncomfortable. It blew air. Um, all the time, constantly. I would rip it off in the middle of the night. So I just kind of struggled through my sleep apnea for another 2 years until I went back to my pulmonologist, and he recommended that I give an oral appliance a try. And it's been amazing. I got this device. I didn't have a ton of faith in it at first because I had such a problem with the CPAP, but I put it in, got fitted, put it in, a few weeks later, and it was amazing. I mean, my wife was just amazed that I wasn't snoring anymore. I feel so much better now, much more alert. One way that I dealt with my sleep apnea and my tiredness is I drink a ton of coffee during the day. So I find now I still drink a lot of coffee, but I find that I don't get through a whole cup of coffee before it gets cold. So I throw about half of it away. So it's been a really good thing for me, and I would totally recommend it.